to the distinguished ambassadors and guests. We will invite them later and of course, recognize them. I would like to say some really few words. Every year when we talk about Tzav Shmone, and when I say we from the high-tech community, many of the things that we are saying seems very natural for us. But unfortunately, every year we get all kind of events from the market, the press, that make us remember that we in Israel and the press internationally never miss an opportunity to highlight the negative angles in Israel. And what we are trying to do, and it is totally apolitical, is to highlight the good things that we have here, which are part of our day-to-day life in the high-tech industry. In the high-tech industry, leadership, integration, openness, democracy, equal rights are natural things, and we don't need to do a lot of effort to explain what we do, and by doing it we are becoming also the ambassadors of Israel and of things that we believe in. So Barcelona is always a good place to meet and to interact with many international players. Israel has a substantial and significant representation in this industry, and I hope that this afternoon will help all of us to focus our messages and to help promoting the good things that we are doing on a daily basis. So I would like to invite the co-founder of Tzav Shmone, Yael Shani, to take it from here. Thank you very much.
Okay, what I would like to say is, before we start, that what we're going to do today is deal with two dimensions everyone who is sitting here has, including ambassadors of countries or ambassadors of technology. Both types of people are basically ambassadors of technologies and cultures and nations and their country. So in the first part we're going to discuss more internal, talking about technology and about Israel from within. And on the second half we will go international. This is not mine. We will go international and speak with diplomatic ambassadors about how we are being perceived in the world. I would like to thank for our honored guest, His Excellency Matthew Gold, Ambassador of UK, and His Excellency Alvaro Iranzo Gutierrez, Ambassador of Spain. I would like to thank our next speaker, who is going to be presented by our host for today, Boaz Maoz, CEO of Cisco, who is partnering with Tzav Shmone for, well, ever since it has begun, and has waited very patiently to host it this year. And we're very, very glad we're finally getting to do it. I would also like to thank sponsors, Yuval Pridan from Motorola Mobility. Is he here? Okay, Herzl says he will come soon, so okay. And Amir Gleit from PwC, in charge of the telecom leader, who are also accompanying this initiative ever since it has begun. Also Ariel Litvin and Iran Weisel from PwC are here, and American Express Travel, whom I don't see now. And Boaz, the stage is all yours.
Thank you very much, First of all, I would like to welcome everyone to the Cisco facility here in Netanya. We're very proud to host you all in this event. This event is not about Cisco, obviously. It's not about marketing or talking about our solutions. It's about the state of Israel and what we can bring to the world. And it's about our future, our technology, and our advantage worldwide. I would like to thank the ambassadors of the UK and Spain for coming here. And of course, Deputy Prime Minister Ya'alon, thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate that. Deputy Prime Minister Ya'alon, as you all know, was the Brigadier General of the IDF. And during his time in 2000, when the bubble burst, basically, he helped to keep the technology industry, technology sector alive by outsourcing many, many projects from the IDF to the high-tech industry in Israel. And for that, I thank you. Another important thing about his time as the Chief of Staff, and the IDF is a very important customer for Cisco in Israel, he really accelerated the technology adoption within the Israeli Defense Forces. And this is why the Israeli Defense Forces is really at the edge of technology nowadays. So again, thank you very much. And I would like to invite you as the keynote speaker for this evening.